What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today we're making cookies in the air fryer. Yes, it can be done, and let me show you how. So first you want to take a stick of softened butter and add it to a mixing bowl. Go ahead and add 1/3 cup of brown sugar or sweetener and 1/3 cup of white sugar or sweetener. And then you're going to cream those together. I like to use a hand mixer. You can also use a standing mixer. Give that a mix for about 2 minutes. And then add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/8 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, and 1 room temperature egg. Grab your mixer again and give that a mix on medium speed for about 2 minutes. Then you want to add in 1/4 cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and grab your mixer again and give that a mix for 45 seconds on a low speed. You don't want to overmix that. And then add in 1.5 cups of chocolate chips and 1/2 cup of walnuts. Those are optional. You can omit the nuts if you like. And then take a large wooden spoon or a silicone spoon and give that a good stir and fold in the chocolate chips. And then grab your air fryer basket. I like to line mine with parchment paper. I will link below where you can grab that from Amazon. And then form balls with your cookie dough, about 2 tablespoons each, and add them to the air fryer basket. You want these to be at least 1.5 inches apart, so don't overcrowd your basket. And then air fry those on 300 degrees for 6 to 8 minutes. And there you have it. Air fryer chocolate chip cookies. I like to sprinkle these with a little bit of fresh sea salt.